Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.